Want to turn letters into stunning artwork with AI in Photoshop? I'll show you how in just 2 minutes. Start with a new Photoshop file. You want your file to be 1920 by 1080 and up the resolution to 144 so it comes out looking its best. Then you'll create your letter in black and white. I like to use a large thick letter for best results. Then you want to save your letter out as a PNG. Next, go to Edit and Generate Image. Next, you're going to choose your letter file as the composition reference. This way, Photoshop knows where to put your results. Next, type in a prompt. Describe what you want inside the letter, plus the background or lighting. For this K, I use plants and flowers inside of a neon K, simple background. Keep in mind it gives you 3 variations. One thing to remember though is these variations add up to a very large file. So make sure and delete the ones you don't like. And if you find something you love, you can use it again as a style reference alongside your composition reference. Here's a few more I tried. All you have to do is swap out the prompt and you get incredible results. Remember that each generated image is unique. That's it. AI lettering in Photoshop. Quick and easy. Try your own prompts and create wallpapers, posters, or logos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.